I got the Smurf boner. It's official. I can hang out with the cool kids now. Smurf boner is in the house. Can't wait to try it out. Packaging's out of the way. Comes in this nice carrier. I did have my other hoses. I got these little husky bags. This one I'll have right here. Just gotta throw the micron gauge in there. Get some literature. And here's all the fittings. Oh yeah, core removal tool. There we go. A little 1/4 incher. So I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to use the 1/2 inch. Whichever one is the 1/2 inch. Oh yeah, this one's the 1/2 inch. It's a big dogger. I'm going to make the hose up with those two. I'm just going to pull one hose. I only bought one hose. And then there's the other clamps for it. Starter kit. Let's take a look at the hose. The actual Smurf boner, baby. Let's take a look at this thing. There it is. Doing, 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 doing. Wrestle it. Got you. Boing. Look at that. Goes to a big old opening in there. See if I can get the sun in there. There it goes. But yeah, I just got the one hoser. We'll see how it works out. Stay tuned. Cool stuff. I'm excited. Looks pretty solid.